Alright, hello everyone, welcome to another video, and in today's video I'm simply going to teach you how you can go ahead and see messages on your Snapchat without opening them. So this video is going to be a very simple and easy step-by-step tutorial, so feel free to watch the video till the end. And with that being said, let's get straight into the video. So first of all you're going to do is simply go ahead and open your Snapchat, and I'm going to go ahead into the messages. So let's just say I want to go ahead and read some messages someone has sent. I don't have anyone sending me messages right now, but I can simply go ahead and show you by not opening the snap but looking at the message. So all you have to do is on the Bitmoji of the people you want to go ahead and look at the snap of, you're simply gonna hold your finger on their Bitmoji and then swipe right like that. And once you have done that, you can use your other finger to simply go ahead and slide and look at what they have sent. And you don't have to open it completely. Just after you do this, make sure you don't release it. Simply go ahead and close it the way I did. And it is as simple as that. All you have to do in order for you to go ahead and do that is just simply swipe right on the Bitmoji of the person you want to look at the text of. And once you have done that, you can see the whole message, and don't release it, and then just simply drag it back one more time. So it's as simple as that. So if you thought this video was helpful, feel free to comment down below any other queries you might have. And if you haven't already, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and thank you so much for watching.